Yes guys, after receiving
volleyball player
athlete award coming from the school, he's the evidence of the reward.
Hindi naman niya alam kung anong oras. Di na late na kami. Nag-umpisa na yung concert band niya. Hindi na kami umabot. Kasi dalawa sila eh.
Coefficient of success in freshman girls volleyball for the 2025 academic year.
6:30
Excellent
doon, sinabi,
commitment
5:30
success. Okay.
2021.
Okay, go. Resibo.
It will come after.
Okay guys, we are in 4th Street after receiving award coming from the school. So a little bit celebration for the Wings night. Okay, it's nice weather here. So I'm proud to be one of the parents accepting awards for one of the athlete for volleyball. So that's it for now guys. So just click the button and notification bell and subscribe for updating in Canada, Saskatchewan weather update. That's this general content. Okay, so for now, see you again for the short vlog for tonight. This video after going to school. I upload also the other one of the videos after this. Okay, see you guys and subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming videos for this week. Okay.